Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to explain about my project related to Cloud Platform, which is created for my assignment purpose. For that purpose, I'm using the Cloud Platform called Infinity Free. Why I'm using Infinity Free is it's a platform which provide free web hosting. It is not too risky, and also it not want your card information anything. So it is easy compared to others. So I'll show my account details. Yeah. This is information related to my account. So basically I already created my project. This is my first project I created using the Infinity Free. Yeah, if you want to create a new account, new project account, you can go here, create account, so that in that you can give your name, CC project, anything you can give. Then you can go here. There are different kind of domain extension in there. You can give whatever you want. After that, there is information about additional details like anything related to MySQL information and the username. I mean, everything they will set up. It is easy to do this kind of stuff. So after creating an account, I will show this kind of information. You can go to the manage. In that there is different kind of information available like account details, FTP details, and also the MySQL details. So account information like its username and also password and status, everything we can they will provide to you. FTP details and also MySQL details. There are four kind of information like control panel, file manager, and also account edit information, and also the deactivation history. So in order to provide some information like database information, email information, domain information, you can go to the control panel. In a control panel there are different kind of application available like preference, like updating contact email, file informations, database connection. There are different kind of database connection like PHP MyAdmin, MySQL database, and also remote MySQL. Everything is there. Then there is a domains. We can add domains, like can add subdomains, everything we can do. There are email informations, matrix information, security information, and software like Cloudflare, Softaculous. So these are the information you can add in the control panel. Because I created a project related to static website, there is no need of adding the MySQL information, so I am not using database here. This is related information about the control panel. So after control panel there is an information like file manager. So what file manager will do is whenever you created a HTML or CSS any file in local disk, so you can upload to the cloud platform via file manager. In a file manager there is a information like htdocs. So in htdocs, if you go to htdocs, then you can see that there is a upload button here. So in the upload button we can upload the information in a local disk or in a computer to the htdocs here. So whatever the database or a HTML or CSS file we created, we can move to here. So this is the information about my project. What are the HTML file, CSS, and JS file we created? I moved to here, upload here to here. So that you can run the this kind of domain name here in the internet. So this is related to a file manager. Whenever what file manager will have to do is whenever a file created in the local disk, we can move to here, or you can create here in the file manager. It will help a lot. Whenever you created a project, you have to move to htdocs, not other places. Yeah, these are the information about the edit account and deactivation history. So yeah, this is information of the FTP details, FTP username, FTP password, and host name. This is important whenever you created a MySQL not like dynamic website. We can, it is very helpful for you have to change the MySQL details. So like if you create a PHP file in normal database or in the connection.php, you have to change the username to this, password, username, hostname to this, this, and you have to copy this and paste it there. If you don't change there comes some kind of error. so that there is a connection problem, everything will come. These are information. When after creating everything, they will provide one like domain name. For me they provide like ccproject.epz.com. So I will copy this domain name, so I'll paste it here. So this is a project, this is my project related to home interior design. This is a home page, like about our information about our project, like our company details, everything is there. Like our information designed by Shivas and Abid. There comes the information page. So in the information page, our about us, our mission, our pros and cons, our what are the tricks we are using for the home interior design, everything is there. So in the third design part, in that design part, what are the designs is there in you can we can you customer can see, customer can see that what are the price for that design, and also what are the project related to previous years, everything we can upload in there. You can see there. This is a very important page, designer page. So we will help to contact the between the customer and also the designers. So like whenever we get a new customer or a new designer, basically new designer, we upload the information in the our project. So like there are different kind of designers information in there. So the customer can go to here, and so they can see their pricing information and also their editors information, their company information. So it is helpful to contact between the customer and also the designers. So there are different kind of designers, like here information you can see, these are the design and our their pricing and also our address. Every information we can, the customer can get from our page. Yeah, here you can say that after that there is a contact form. uh, in a contact form the customer can give their name, email address, and also the what are the information they want, we can send there. So after we'll let you after if they send, we will got their information, we'll call them back, and we'll let you know the information they want, and who are the designers they want to contact, every information we can send. So here we'll provide our address information, our phone numbers, everything will provide. Yeah. So like these are the information related to our project and our cloud platform I am using. Thank you for watching.